Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments, my 2 to 3 minute podcast. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. Whenever I see something on LinkedIn that I think you might want to know about, that's what I like to bring to this podcast. And there are a couple that I want to talk to you about, and they have to do with suggested posts, search and discovery, and collaborative articles. The bottom line on all of these newish features, actually brand new on a couple of them, features is that they have the potential to show you and your content and what you post to more people that you may not be connected to. And that's a very good thing. They're going to help you clean up your feed. They're watching AI, artificial intelligence. Their algorithms are watching what you're doing, your activity, what you tend to consume on LinkedIn, who you tend to interact with, what topics you tend to interact with. And they are going to start showing you content from people who you aren't even connected to. Now, the interesting thing about that is you're like, oh, my news feed is already a little bit messy. How can I keep up with all these posts? But the good thing about it is that they're going to make the content more relevant in your news feed so that your behavior, what you have shown them, will help them show you what's more relevant. Now, the really good thing about that is they will also be showing more of your content to those people who have shown an interest in the topics that you talk about. In essence, they're going to help you grow your network and help you to become more discoverable to those people who might not know you at all. And then in search and discovery, when you go up into the search bar and you search for a topic that matters to you, then when you search for a topic, they're going to show you more valuable posts from people who they consider credible that will help you dive deeper. And what they're going to do is show you some search filters so that you can further refine what you're looking for. And that means that you might find newsletters from subject matter experts, some groups that might seem relevant based on your behavior and your search, events that might be going on LinkedIn having to do with that, some courses, and other stories and trending news. So that's a very good thing because the same thing then happens when people search for topics that have to do with what you practice. And then the last thing is collaborative articles. And this one's been out for a couple weeks. I've taken part in it. Collaborative articles, they are starting articles, and I have a post on this that I'll link to, but they are starting through artificial intelligence articles on a topic, and they might have several paragraphs. What they have then been doing is inviting people who seem to be active on the platform, and they've been inviting us to add a thought to any of those paragraphs. Then what happens is that these articles then build out based on the collective intelligence of LinkedIn users. So that's another opportunity. I'm watching that one a little closer, but I do want you to know about the exposure part and the other ones that I've been telling you about. All right, well, that's it for today. I'll let you know when I see something else that I think you need to know about. All right, take care.